Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I edit videos on an iPhone, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I edit some aesthetically pleasing videos because this is my most requested video. So first I'm going to be showing you how I made this intro using a few different apps. So the first app I'm going to use is called Fonto, which is free on the App Store. It's super easy to use. So first I'm going to open up the app and I'm going to press plain image, and I'm just going to select any color, and then I'm going to change it to the color green. So after I change the color to green, I'm going to be changing the format, which basically just changes the size of the picture to match my video, and I'm going to be adding text, and I'm just going to be writing whatever I want my intro to say. So in this case, I just put how I edit videos on an iPhone, just for an example. And next I'm going to be changing the font, and this is a font that I use in a ton of my videos. I think it's super cute, and I'm just basically messing around and adding more text, and then I'm going to be changing the size and just trying to make my intro look as nice as possible. So I'm adding the stroke right now, which basically just gives the text an outline, which I think looks super nice, and I'm just messing around with the text and just trying to make my intro look as cute as possible, and that's basically what I'm just doing in these clips. So next what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to basically make this picture into a video. So I'm going to be using this app called Video Star, and I'm going to press on the plus button, press edit video, then I'm just going to choose any video from my camera roll. It doesn't matter what it is, it just matters how long the video is. So if you need a 10-second intro, then just use a 10-second video from your camera roll. Then I clicked on multi-layer, and I'm pressing the picture that we saved from Fonto, and I'm pressing create clip, and this just basically transforms that picture into a video. But this does cost money, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this on a free app for people who don't have Video Star packs. So I'm going to be using this app called Video Leap. This is one of my favorite apps. It's free and it's really easy to use. So I'm just importing the picture from Fonto, and then I'm elongating it, and then I'm saving it, and that basically just makes it into a video. So that's really convenient, and I really enjoy this app. So next I'm going to be using an app called Megaphoto, and I'm just going to be making the wave text, and I learned how to do this from iEditingX's tutorial, so all credit goes to her. If it wasn't for her, I would have no idea how to use this. So first I clicked on 129, which is the effect that gives the wave, and then I'm importing that video that I just made. And as you can tell, if you kind of drag down, you can make the words go wavy. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm saving that video. And next I'm gonna go back onto Video Star so that I can make my intro look nice, and I can take away that awful green screen. So I'm just pressing make video, and I'm sorry, I'm really bad at explaining things. You can kind of just see what I'm doing, but I'm importing that video. I'm actually gonna import an overlay that I wanted to use, and I'll link where I got this overlay down in the description, but it's just another green screen that I think will make my intro look really cute. So for the first layer, I'm gonna put in just a picture that I took of a color that I wanted the background of the intro to be, and I'm just resizing it so that it fits. And then I'm gonna be clicking on that overlay. Next, I'm gonna press color so that it erases the green screen. And then for the third layer, I'm going to be putting in that video of the text that we saved from Fonto and that we made into a video. And then I'm going to be clicking on that link button, and then I'm going to click erase, And then I'm just erasing that watermark from Megaphoto so that my intro will be cute and it won't have a gross watermark on it. And as you can see, this is how the video looks. I'm just resizing the font and the intro ends up looking really cute. And this is how I usually do it, but as I said before, in order to do this, I previously had bought a multi-layer pack which costs money, so now I'm going to be showing you guys an alternative way to do this that does not cost money. So next I'm going to be using an app called Video Crop, and this is just an alternative way to Video Star but for free. So I'm going to be just cropping out that gross watermark from Megaphoto, and then I'm going to be saving this video. And next I'm going to be going on to the app called Pocket Video, pressing that plus, then YouTube Vlog, and I'm going to be importing just a picture that I made into a video of this plain color. You can easily do that on Video Loop like how I showed you guys earlier. Next I'm going to be pressing add, and I'm going to be importing that video that we just cropped on Video Crop with our text. And next I'm just going to be importing that, and then after I do that, I'm gonna just be making it so that the green doesn't show anymore. And that's basically how you can make an intro for free. I didn't do the overlay part, but you can easily do that too. And that was how I made this intro. I hope that was helpful. So now I'm just gonna be showing you guys some cute different ways to make some aesthetic videos. So I'm going back onto Video Star and I'm just importing whatever video I want to edit. And as you can see, the video was not the right format, so Video Star actually gave it a cute little border, which I think is super cute. And I'm gonna be importing an overlay that I literally just googled Tumblr star GIF and then I screen recorded this, and I'm gonna be just changing the size so that I can use this as an overlay for my video. So then I'm pressing multi-layer and I'm going to be choosing that first video that I imported, pressing none, and then for the second layer I'm clicking on that overlay, then I'm clicking on color, and that basically just gives the video a cute little overlay and it makes it look so nice. But I'm going to be pressing on that link button in the corner, then erase, and I'm just going to be erasing any stars that I feel are unnecessary or maybe they're blocking something in the video. And this is just how I can get rid of different things from my overlay. And as you can tell, it looks less crowded and I think it looks better this way. And overall, I love how this looks, and that's just one way that I always like to spice up my videos, by adding cute overlays. So next I'm going to be importing a video, and I'm just going to click on something that I want to edit. In this case, I just used the one that I just edited now. And I'm going to be pressing re-effect clip, and this is how I can add some cool effects to this video. So basically I'm just scrolling through these cool effects that Video Star offers, and this is how I can add some grain, I can put some cool overlays, I can do TV scans. There's a bunch of different options that I can choose from, and if I click that, I'm just gonna press re-effect, which just makes the video, and I can change the colors. I can do a bunch of different cool stuff using this app, and I've been using Video Star for years and I really enjoy this app. I think it's really worth it if you decide to spend a few bucks on some of the packs. And this just gives the video a cool feel. And now I'm going to show you guys how you can spice up your videos in other ways. So I'm just going to be importing a basic color so that it'll be my background. And I'm going to be using that video that I just edited, and I'm going to be changing the shape. And you can change the shape to circles, stars, rectangles. You can change the shape to a bunch of different stuff. And I did this in my back to school outfit ideas, and I usually don't change the shape, but I think that it's really cool, and Video Star offers a bunch of different ways that you can crop your video, which I think is super cool. And that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.